emergent weather message for the following county: Columbiana, Ohio, and Lawrence, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio, southwestern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbiana, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Columbiana and southwestern Lawrence counties, including the following locations: South North PJ, New Beaver, Enon Valley, Bessemer, and Big Beaver. The forecast for northeast